Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream no mixer. Start by chilling a metal bowl and whisk, then pour cold heavy cream and add sugar and vanilla. Whisk briskly in a rhythmic motion, pausing to scrape down the sides as peaks form. Aim for soft peaks first, then firm peaks if you prefer stiffer texture. Practice and timing make hand whipping efficient and satisfying. Warm, friendly tip time. Choose a sturdy whisk and practice steady wrist motions to build volume fast. Start slow to emulsify sugar and vanilla, then increase speed as cream thickens and soft peaks appear. Keep the bowl cold by setting it over a larger bowl of ice if needed. Watch closely so you stop at the right texture. Overwhipping turns cream grainy and buttery, which you want to avoid. If you lack a whisk, grab a jar and an ounce of determination, pour in cold cream and screw the lid tight. Shake with short, powerful bursts for about 3 to 5 minutes, checking through the glass for peak development. Add sugar or vanilla when soft peaks appear and give a final shake to combine. This jar method is fun, portable, and great for small quantities or kids helping in the kitchen.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.